Hello everyone, today I will explain about how you can check flash visit on Google Maps. Before I start, make sure to subscribe, give like and leave the comment on my video. Open your Google Maps. After that, as you can see your location in here, and then click on the right corner, select your timeline, and then select flash. So this is the place you have visited before on Google Maps. And this is the way how you can check flash visit on Google Maps. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like and leave the comment on this video. Thank you.